man, listen to this. Oh yes, no chain rattle. Yo guys, welcome back to LeadFoot TV. So you will have just seen that the timing chain is no longer rattling like mad. It's just so much nicer to drive, not driving it around with it rattling its head off. So I took it down to tuning developments to get the timing chain done. I basically took it there because, well, I'll explain in a bit, but yeah, I took it down to tuning developments, and anyway, they had some proper awesome cars, so I will kick off by showing you down there, because it's a pretty awesome place. Yeah, so that's tuning developments. It's a pretty cool place. They have loads of, they do a lot of, they're a Toyota specialist, so they do a lot of Toyota stuff. They do turbo kits and stuff for the GT86, and they do a lot of work with the Glanzers and the GT Turbo Starlets. But they did an awesome job of the chain. I really recommend them. If you've got an MPS and you need the chain doing, that is the place to go. I was originally planning on doing it myself, so I bought the chain from somewhere else originally because I didn't have any clue that Tuning Developments even stocked the chain. So I bought it from somewhere else, and then they messaged me saying it's going to be 3 or 4 weeks before you can get the chain. We can get the chain. So I was like, I got my money back off them because I didn't really want to leave it that long. I'm using the car every day, and I was a bit worried about it causing some damage. So yeah, we went down to, me and Duncan went down to Tuning Developments to drop his GT86 off, and yeah, while we were there, I thought I'll ask about the chain kit that they've got on the website, thinking that they'd probably have to order it as well, but they had it in stock. So yeah, out of curiosity, I thought I'll ask them and see how much it was for fitting, and the price was pretty decent, so I just got them to fit it. Especially, I've just got so much going on at the moment that I just thought I may as well just pay them to do it. So I think it was 650 quid all in, which isn't that bad when you consider the chain kit's 350 quid anyway, and that included an oil and filter change and an auxiliary belt as well. So yeah, it wasn't all that bad really, and yeah, and I've got, it means that I've got the bit of paperwork there now to say I've had the chain fitted, whereas if I'd done it myself, it's kind of like my own word is the only thing saying the chain's been done. So yeah, I've got the bit of paperwork to say the chain's been done, so when I come to sell the car, it'll make it a little bit easier to sell. But yeah, I definitely recommend them if you've got an MPS and you need your chain doing. It's take it down there. They're really good customer service, and yeah, it's just awesome. And yeah, so they said that it's the worst one they've ever done. So they said they've not come across one that's rattling that bad and consistently. So it was a good job that I did get it done when I did. And like I said, it included an oil and filter change, but he said that the car looked like it hadn't been serviced for quite a long time. So he said to just flush the oil out again. So next week I'll do a full service on the car, flush the oil out again. I'll do a video on that. As you can probably hear, the front shocks are still knocking, so I ordered a set of X-Display Coney shocks on eBay. Some guy was selling them a little bit cheaper because they were X-Display ones, so I've ordered a set of Coney front shocks, the uprated ones, so they should be here today or tomorrow, so I'll have those to change soon as well. And I'll probably order some for the rear as well, so I've got just got matching suspension all round, but I'm probably going to wait until I get paid before I order those, because I've spent way too much on this car this month. So yeah, that's where I'm up to with that. So I'll have a couple of videos on doing the front shocks and the service, and then yeah, once I'm at that stage, I will jump back on the micro and do some more micro videos, because I want to get this car right, because it's my daily. So I've been trying to rush getting this done, but I will jump back on the micro and do some more micro videos soon. We're nearly at 1,500 subscribers, so thanks to everybody that's been subscribing. The subscriber rate has been going up like crazy the last couple of weeks, which is awesome. So yeah, thanks to everyone that's subscribed. And if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do, and make sure you give the video a like, because it helps the channel grow massively. Like I say, I'll have the suspension video to go up next week as well. And I'm probably going to do because I'm at like nearly at 1,500 subscribers, and I'm nearly at 5,000 followers on Instagram as well. And I thought I'd do something a little bit different for that, so I thought I'd do a Q&A. So if you've got any questions, go and check me out on Instagram, and I will have a post up on there today, basically asking people what they want to know. So drop any questions on there, and I will do a video on here answering all your questions. I'll give you all a little shout out as well. So yeah, go check out my Instagram and drop any questions that you want to know on there, and man, I'll do a little Q&A video once I've hit the 1,500 subscribers. But yeah, that's it for today. There isn't a lot going on because I didn't do any of the work myself, but I will be back to working on the car myself when all the rest of the stuff needs doing. So I will catch you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Peace out.